ducky. Yeah, the duck is sleeping there. They're sleeping or resting. So the ducky, ducky, duck, 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 duck. David. Duck, 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 duck. This is the duck here in Norway. The ducky here in Norway. Ducky, ducky. It's very colorful. If you can see, it's color lila or violet, and with brown and with white, and it's very beautiful color. And it's a bird eating meat, and that's seabirds. It's very, very strong seabirds. David, can you move here because you will fall there? There. You do not step the bush. It's not good. You see that one? It's the duck.
Look the bush. Duck. Look there. Maggie.
Yeah. It's a ducky. Duck, duck, and the seabird. Beautiful duck over there. It's color green. The head is color green. The hair is color green. It's very beautiful.
Look, duck is there. Duck is there. Mama.
You see that? He's swimming now.
Mama.
You see this duck is very beautiful color. You see the duck there? It's a beautiful color. You see he's drinking water.
Taxi. Look, taxi. Taxi, ma. Look.
Very beautiful color duck.
Look, drink, grass. Back. Duck. Duck. Duck.
David.
This is so loud.
There's something there. What is inside there?
Duck.
That one.
Ooh.
Hi, bird.
Look, down. Down there. Look. Down there.
Hi, bird. Are you okay? Shh. Bird, bird.
I see me there.
That's the bird.
Look, down there.
And that's the ducky. Ducky, ducky, ducky. Ducky, ducky,
Look,
ducky,
what is
ducky.
there? What is that out?
He's looking food. The ducky, ducky. They want to go with us. The ducky. Hi, ducky, ducky.
Swim, swim.
Yeah, they're swimming. Ducky, ducky. Swimming, swimming, ducky. You're swimming, ducky.
Ollie, ollie, oh.
David, you must not move kay ano ko.